From Big Lake, back on the Bluenose. We have it into the main shop here with the upper deck back on. Customers looking at getting paint job done, so we're looking into that. And it's been rolled before. A couple layers of pinstriping in the cove. So we had good adhesion on the mount. You can see the 5200 puckering out nicely. So for prepping the upper deck for paint, we're going to tackle some of the stress cracked areas around the winch bases here. We can see some heavy cracking front and back. We rebuilt the lids out of solid fiberglass so they won't anything to rot anymore. A couple other areas too I noticed for crack repair will be the corners here in the cockpit. Some heavy flexing and cracking there, so we'll tune that up and get it ready. Customer also requests that we remove the pattern here. We'll probably orbital that down with some 80, and then we'll have a clean slate once it's painted oyster white for a new anti-skid pattern and format of their choice. Cabin's all gel coated, sweet and fresh and new. We've got the window frames are in good shape, so we'll replace with new polycarbonate. And there we have her, Bluenose.